Look at how slow and ridiculously smooth this is. I have been waiting for this stuff to arrive. Really excited about it. On the bench here, fresh off the truck, like not even 10 minutes ago, is the Furitek Python systems. I've got the Pro version and I've got a standard version for the UTB18 and a new motor. I don't even think this is on their website yet. I might get in trouble for posting it too soon, but it's going up. Guys, we're gonna check out the UTB system today. I also have one for the TRX4, but that's gonna wait for another video. I'm excited about this one because it's an easy drop-in for the UTB18. I already installed the Furitek system a little while back in my UTB18 project, but if you watched the video, you probably saw where I had to go and install a BEC in there. It requires some soldering, the additional purchase of the BEC. And for some people, that's not an easy drop-in thing, and they want everything all in one package, and that's what this is right here. So first up, let's just talk about the Python system, which is the next level up from the Stinger system. It kind of has the same footprint to it. It's a small speed controller unit. It actually controls brushed and brushless motors. You're probably only going to use brushless motors in it, especially if you get the Furitek motor, but it's the right size that will fit directly into the UTB18. And so it has an EC2 connector on it, and it has this new, kind of looks like an XT connector, but it's 3-prong for the brushless system. So this is going to allow you to go and plug it right into this new Komodo motor. It's the 2500 kV, the 118, but it has that XT, I'm gonna call it an XT connector on it. So you can just go and plug it in. And they actually go and give you a adapter plug as well. So if you have an older motor, you could just go and plug that right in with this adapter plug. But that's the only change I could tell about the motor itself, is they have the connector on it for the easy drop in. But the Python system, again, much better than the Stinger because this has a 5 amp BEC in it. So this is gonna take care of those power hungry servos that you're probably running on your UTB18. Now some more details about the speed controller. It's waterproof. I took it apart. It does have a nice conformal coating on it. It's a 40 amp continuous ESC with a 70 amp burst. And if you've seen Furitek systems before, you know that they're nice, smooth, powerful systems. It's also equipped with Bluetooth, so you can go and use their app to go and adjust any parameters that you want. It is perfect for the high-end crowd. You'll also need a 2-channel radio to go along with it because this has a 2-in-1 system. You won't be able to use the radio from it. You'll need something with a separate receiver. So I have a FlySky radio to go into it, and I'm just gonna go drop this into my stock UTB18. I've already done the project version. I'm gonna keep the Stinger in that one. It's already all set up. So I'm just gonna drop it in this just to show you guys how smooth the throttle control is. You need to see it for yourself. All right, guys, I got the Furitek system installed. Everything went in nice and smooth. It really is a drop-in system as long as you have a 2-channel radio system. The only other change I made was I added a Spectrum high voltage servo, and then I used the app to go and power up that servo to 7.4 volts so I get the maximum power out of it. And we're gonna just see how slow this thing crawls. Watch this. I am barely touching the throttle. Look at that. Look how smooth and slow that is. It's not stalling out. FOC is working right. Give it a little power to get up this. Don't know how it's gonna do here with these stock tires, but we'll see. I got a power out of it. There we go. I'm just running on a 2S pack. Plenty of punch there. Do a quick full throttle run here so you can see how fast it is. Pretty quick on 2S. I'm gonna crawl through this rock section right here. Let's see what the drag brake is like. I mean, this thing goes so slow. Look at that. Seems consistent, nice and smooth. Come down this drop here. That's just tire scrubbing. Perfectly consistent. Telemetry looks pretty cool, doesn't it? But I'm gonna go into throttle curve here. I don't really mess with throttle that much, but the curve, I wanna drop down just a little bit. So you go and select it, drop it down a little bit, and then you select the next curve, and I just wanna ramp this thing up. So I got the next one, I'll drop that one down. We'll try out these settings. Really like the feel of the speed controller. Plenty of power. I think it has plenty of torque. It's like a secret weapon for the UTB18. The Furitek system is the perfect upgrade for your Capra at any point during your build. It's got tons of throttle control. This new Python powers the system perfectly. I love the app that you can go and tune it. I'll have links in the video description below.